Hello. Today we're talking about putting out clutter fires. In the FlyLady system, she talks about having hot spots, and that is where your clutter collects. I don't want you to have to do hotspot fire drills. I instead want you to change your habits. So to put out our clutter fires, we're going to do 3 clutter stops per day. And that's when you've left out things in the last couple of hours, or your family has left out things in the last couple of hours that have a place. So when you see them, you can say, I see you and I have a place for you. Or you can ask your children, where does that go? You're right, it goes in your closet. Go put it in your closet and mommy will put her cup in the kitchen or whatever. So put up your stuff, pick it up, don't pass it up. That will stop clutter fires in your home immediately.